Hey guys, I was on a roll posting a lot of videos for daily uploads and everything else, but suddenly I got so busy that I wasn't able to post any video because I just got into uni, a lot of classes and everything else, adjustment period, and also I was having some gigs, some shoots, like I was shooting for Dawn, and so we're back now, we're back. So I was a bit of downtime because I got tired of every time I shoot. I got tired, and then after that, gotta back up the files and have another shoot the next day, and everything was just so hectic. So I have bits and pieces of some vlogs, but nothing really. Nothing really. Anyway, we're going back and trying to do daily vlogs. I'm not sure if I can do it daily though, because I have my classes on and I still have gigs, I still have a bit of shoots just to have fund my education and everything else. But everything should be fine. Also to fund my gear addiction, okay. So anyway, So from the last post, I have. I think the last video was about Laura's MacBook Air. I don't know. I haven't tested it much, but should be fine. Yeah, that should be it. So I'll be putting throwback videos also, just to cover up sometimes that I got tired and everything else. So hope to see you more, guys. Bye. Okay, apparently I was filming earlier and forgot to change the settings for this camera. So I was pressing the wrong record button. I can see the screen, but I didn't know I wasn't recording. Anyway, I'm heading over to Marlon's place. I'm gonna try to get my camera because he used my camera. I was shooting a gig for him, and he was borrowing one of my cameras also. And then I'm gonna go over to Alden's place, and then I'll try to give him his LED, because what I did was I soldered his LED. There's one wire was removed, so it should be the itinerary for today. Good weather today, not bad. Peaked at 27. The last few days, like 2 days ago, it was 30 and 32. It was really hot. We had a gig yesterday. We did a live stream for primary school, so it was a little learning experience. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drive because it's a bit busy in the streets today, and gotta be on top of things. Anyway, nice to see you again, guys. Nice to see you. And there'll be more projects coming in this year. This month, and this is December, end of the month. So new year. Hoping everything will be better next year. 2020 was canceled. Sucks, man. Anyway, gotta go. Hey guys, so today's what day was today? Hey guys, 17th of December, and right now I'm heading over to James' place because I'm gonna get a haircut. My hair's just gonna be torn off my head. Anyway, I'm gonna go now, and let's see how this goes. It's gonna be a long trip to the other side. It's around an hour or more. It's rush hour. We'll see. Good day. And everything just went white. Everything just went haywire. It's flooding here. Punish. Under go. Come on, man.
25 minutes late.
I came early, so early. Daan pa ko?
yun ha.
Oh,
Nami kuhan ka ng tradition sa barbering ba?
so nice.
Nice haircut, mate.
Daan pa ko. Yep. So I came in late and yeah, good thing. So I got in late for the haircut and a good thing that Jim was okay. Well, he's not really okay, but nothing he can do. It's me. Anyway, I'm heading over to Don's place right now and we'll see my new haircut. Let's go. Boss, kailangan mo tulong sa sana to. Dito na lang kumakain si boss.
Ay.
Wala na, ayan. Yan na.
Dito na ako nakatira eh.
SDE.